Did you know that keeping your money in a savings account might actually be making you poorer? It sounds crazy, but it's true. Inflation is silently eating away at your savings every single day. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how inflation works, why your bank account isn't enough, and most importantly, what you can do to protect and grow your money. First, let's understand what inflation is. Inflation is the gradual increase in the prices of goods and services over time. On average, inflation in most countries is around 2% to 3% annually. But in recent years, it has shot up to 6% or even 7%. That means if you're just saving money in the bank, your purchasing power is actually decreasing every single year. Think about it. The $10,000 you saved 5 years ago could buy you a lot more than $10,000 can buy you today. That's inflation at work. Your money is losing value while it just sits there. Now, let's talk about the big problem, saving your money in a regular bank account. Most banks offer an interest rate of around 1% or maybe 2% if you are lucky. But with inflation at 6% or more, your money is actually losing 4% of its value every single year. That's like watching your hard-earned cash slowly disappear without you even noticing. And it's not just savings accounts. Fixed deposits, and even most high-interest savings accounts can't keep up with inflation. This is why saving alone is not enough. You need to grow your money faster than inflation eats it away. So, how do you beat inflation? The answer is simple: investments. Let's explore a few options. 1. Stock market. Historically, the stock market has provided returns of around 7% to 10% annually. This not only covers inflation but grows your wealth over time. 2. Real estate. Investing in property not only appreciates over time but also provides rental income. 3. High-yield savings accounts and bonds. While still limited, these accounts offer better interest rates than regular savings. 4. ETFs and index funds. These are great for diversifying your investments and reducing risk while still getting solid returns. The key is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different areas so that even if one dips, you're still covered. Here's a simple action plan you can start with today. 1. Analyze your savings. Check your bank's interest rate. If it's below inflation, it's time to rethink. 2. Start small investments. You don't need thousands to begin. Start with as little as $100 in ETFs or fractional stocks. 3. Automate your investments. Set up auto deposit plans that move money into investments every month. 4. Track your growth. Keep an eye on your investments and adjust as needed. Remember, saving is smart, but only when paired with smart investments. Inflation is real, and it's eating away at your money every single day. But you can fight back. If you want to learn more strategies to grow your wealth and secure your financial future, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey to financial freedom. Stay wealthy, stay smart. See you in the next video.